Welcome to Ash Cash Tash, where we believe that everyone can achieve financial success. In this video, we're going to share the 7 key principles that can help you save the path to financial success. But hey, don't worry, building wealth doesn't have to be a boring and daunting task. We've gathered information from a variety of sources to give you the most up-to-date and exciting tips and tricks. So, grab your popcorn and drinks, and let's dive right into the video. Be a pawn before a king. The voyage towards achievement and triumph unfurls its first chapter with a demeanor of humility and an unwavering readiness to embark at the very foundation. Much like the intricate dance of chess, where pawns assume a pivotal role before the regal ascent of kings and queens, your trajectory necessitates the ardent acquisition of merit. This journey commences with the initiation of modest enterprises, wherein your unrelenting diligence serves as your guiding star, and your apprenticeship under the tutelage of seasoned mentors imparts profound wisdom. Grappling with the stratagem of success demands an intimate comprehension of the interplay between humility and progression. Just as the pawn's strategic movements ultimately paved the way for the grandeur of the royalty, your initial endeavors are akin to the deliberate, purposeful steps that carve the path toward your loftier aspirations. Embrace the tasks at hand with a sense of purpose and commitment, recognizing that every stride, regardless of its apparent magnitude, contributes significantly to the tapestry of your evolution. Embrace humbling experiences. The journey of life possesses an innate capacity to instill humility within us. Yet an even more precious endeavor involves actively pursuing experiences that serve as a check on one's ego. Engaging in pursuits such as combat sports and tackling intricate business challenges serves as a means to constantly stretch your boundaries. These endeavors compel you to traverse uncharted territories, pushing the envelope of your capabilities. The humbling nature of such experiences serves as a poignant reminder that the horizon's growth and enhancement are boundless. Life's trajectory is replete with instances that aptly underscore the delicate interplay between our aspirations and the realities that unfold. These circumstances, often imbued with the humility-inducing elements of unpredictability and vulnerability, serve as potent teachers. However, the value of deliberately seeking out experiences that enforce humility amplifies this inherent wisdom. Commit to serious relationships. When navigating the realm of relationships, prioritize depth over breadth as a guiding principle. Particularly during your formative teenage and early adult years, channel your efforts into cultivating authentic and steadfast connections. Opt for a deliberate approach. Either invest in a profound and purposeful relationship or patiently await the arrival of the right person. It is prudent to eschew the allure of casual dating and instead direct your focus toward nurturing personal growth and pursuing your aspirations. Amid the myriad social interactions that punctuate these developmental stages, there exists a temptation to embrace a scattered approach to relationships, chasing after quantity rather than substance. However, the wisdom lies in consciously choosing quality over quantity. Instead of spreading your emotional energies thinly across numerous connections, concentrate on fostering a select few relationships that resonate on a profound level. These are the connections that transcend the superficial, offering a genuine sense of companionship, understanding, and shared values. Invest early and wisely. Time stands as a precious and irreplaceable asset in the pursuit of wealth accumulation. Embarking on the journey of building financial prosperity necessitates an early initiation into the realm of investment, coupled with astute resource allocation. Consider venturing into avenues such as real estate and other less liquid assets, which offer a combination of stability and the potential for enduring growth. In the midst of this endeavor, exercise prudence by sidestepping superfluous expenditures on ostentatious items that may not yield the desired respect or contribute to your long-term financial well-being. The early stages of life serve as a fertile ground for sowing the seeds of investment. By commencing your investment journey at a young age, you harness the power of compounding over time. Even modest contributions, when invested intelligently, can amass substantial returns due to the compounding effect. This prudent approach positions you to reap the benefits of your foresight and diligence in the years to come. Dress to elevate. In a contemporary landscape where outward impressions hold sway, the art of dressing for success wields the potential to exert a notable influence. The act of meticulously selecting attire that reflects a timeless and classic demeanor assumes paramount significance, communicating an air of maturity and professionalism. It is pivotal to recognize that the essence of dressing well transcends mere ostentation. Rather, it revolves around the art of eliciting respect and credibility, particularly in instances where your age could potentially play a role. The realm of fashion possesses the capacity to function as a powerful mode of self-expression, conveying not only personal style but also a narrative of competence and sophistication. Opting for styles that stand the test of time evokes an aura of understated elegance, allowing you to navigate various settings with an unwavering sense of poise. Classic styles are reminiscent of a refined palette, embodying a sense of assuredness that resonates with a discerning audience. Master the art of humility. Humility emerges as a pivotal characteristic among those who attain success. It involves a profound recognition that despite reaching significant milestones, the journey of learning remains unceasing. The art of remaining receptive to mentorship and counsel from those who have traversed the path ahead is integral. Concurrently, fostering an intimate circle of authentic friends and allies committed to nurturing your evolution stands as a strategic choice. Amid the tapestry of accomplishment, humility serves as the undercurrent that tempers hubris and propels continuous advancement. The wisdom to acknowledge that each achievement is but a stepping stone towards broader horizons engenders a mindset of perpetual curiosity and growth. This recognition positions you to embrace new insights, skills, and perspectives, ensuring your journey remains an ever-evolving voyage. The tenet of humility finds resonance in the embrace of mentorship and guidance. Those who have ventured before you possess a trove of experiences and wisdom. Their mentorship serves as a beacon, illuminating the intricate pathways, pitfalls, and opportunities that lie ahead. By opening yourself to their counsel, you harness the collective knowledge that can accelerate your own journey, catalyzing your progression with insights honed through real-world encounters. The importance of cultivating a close-knit circle cannot be overstated. Amid the clamor of life, the presence of genuine allies and friends stands as a source of solace and empowerment. By nurturing connections with individuals who authentically support your growth, you not only cultivate a network but also foster an environment where mutual encouragement and constructive feedback flourish. This circle acts as a reflective sounding board, enabling you to navigate challenges with clarity and fortitude. Face tests and challenges. Triumph on the path of success is frequently interwoven with tests and challenges, each serving as a litmus test that gauges the fabric of your character and the depth of your resilience. These trials, while demanding and sometimes arduous, serve as a crucible that unveils the intricacies of your strengths and weaknesses. Importantly, they constitute an indispensable facet of your journey, nurturing both your personal and professional development. It is in the embrace of these tests that the prospect of metamorphosing into an enhanced and refined iteration of yourself emerges. These challenges, akin to a series of intricate puzzles, serve as opportunities for profound self-discovery. They unravel layers of your character, unveiling dormant facets of strength, courage, and determination that might not have been evident before. Simultaneously, they cast light upon vulnerabilities and areas in need of growth, inviting you to undertake the introspective journey of self-improvement. Through each encounter, your understanding of your own potential and limitations deepens, propelling you to sculpt a stronger and more resilient foundation. The crucible of tests and challenges possesses a dual role, nurturing growth both on a personal and professional plane. The skills honed while navigating these trials, be it adaptability, problem-solving, or the art of remaining composed under duress, stand as assets that are transferable to various domains of your life. The crucible is the forge in which you refine your mettle, emerging not only as a more adept professional, but also as an individual, fortified with newfound emotional and mental fortitude. It is pivotal to view these tests as profound opportunities for evolution rather than mere obstacles to surmount. Embracing them with an open heart and an unwavering resolve signifies a commitment to your own growth. By reframing your perspective and perceiving these challenges as stepping stones rather than stumbling blocks, you undertake a transformative voyage towards becoming a superior version of yourself. And there you have it, the 7 principles to guide you on your journey toward becoming a millionaire at a young age. Remember, the path to success requires dedication, hard work, and a willingness to learn from both successes and setbacks. By embracing these principles, you can build a solid foundation for your future financial endeavors. And that wraps up another informative yet entertaining session with us. We hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed bringing it to you. Remember, as you embark on your financial journey, it's important to strike a balance between seriousness and a healthy sense of humor. After all, finance doesn't have to be all seriousness. Until our next episode, keep honing your financial skills with a smile, because laughter and financial prosperity go hand in hand. Wishing you financial success.